Good morning. How you doing?
I'm doing great, fantastic. I'm feeling over the moon to see you here. So I'm really good because of you are here among us. So, Anna, could you please tell me how are you?
Oh, I'm doing really well.
Oh, really?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, that's really great. So, could you please tell me that you are really excited to join us?
Yeah, of course. I'm too excited to join you in this podcast.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So, have you seen that video which I uploaded, Rihan video and Ayushi video?
Yeah, of course. I see your all of the videos. I was really shocked when I saw that video, so I'm very happy about it.
Oh my gosh. And after you, I damn sure that my audience will shock on you. So for the things, I want to tell you something about Anna, who is Anna. And so good evening to everyone, and you're the most welcome these sessions. Awesome Blossom English Learner. Good morning to all of you. Good morning, Anna. And Anna, you also are here. So it's really, really glad for us, and you're the most welcome once again to you at this platform as Awesome Blossom English Learner.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're the most welcome. So, my cute audience, actually, there is a girl, and she's only and only, I think, I don't know, she's 10 years old. No, I don't know. Actually, I just forgot. Actually, she has a great talent, and I just think when I just think about her talent, and I was really confused that she is actually angel. She is a God gifted. She is a genius, or she's actually human beings like as me. Or sometimes, actually, I don't. I also so much doubt on her that maybe she can be alien. I know that you are listening to me. You all are listening to me, and you thought, oh my God, we just so much showing a drama to introduce to anyone. But that is actually personality. If that person is deserved, so definitely that person should be deserved to glad grand welcome, to grand introductions. But I'm really so much clever, so I don't want to disclose about any kind of things about Anna. So for that things, you have to stuck here, and you have to stay till end of this video. If you will not stay, it's up to you. If you want to meet iconic personality for the things, you will have to wait till end. Otherwise, don't blame on me. The teacher you also uploading. Oh my gosh, boring video. I want like as a Ayushi or Rihan, this type of terms. So for that things, you will have to stay, and please don't go, don't look at side any side here and there. Just keep your eyes on the camera, and please, if you will be happy and you will be really glad after meet, after know her channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. So let's get started with Anna. Anna, please, could you please introduce yourself?
Of course. My name is Anna. I'm from Myanmar. I'm 9 years old. I'm studying fourth grade.
Wow, you are in fourth standard,
Yeah, of course. I'm in fourth standard.
and how many years old?
Oh, I'm 10 years old.
You are 10 years old. Oh, I was right actually. So let's get started. And that activity is actually this you can say this is actually activity. This is a openly challenge to everyone, not only in single persons. This is a challenge for everyone, for children, for elders, for intelligent people, for doctors, for everyone. You cannot say that Shashi Tharoor is also Shashi Tharoor. You can meet here real and real iconic personality, and you will forget to every personality when you just will get to know who is Anna. So we will discuss about some words, and actually that's not words according to you. Why? Oh my God! What I'm saying? I'm saying words. Oh, you will be also confused like as me. I also so much shocked when I just knew about her. So actually, that is word that is really lengthy word. Someone has some word has. Can you imagine? Note. Oh my God. Note 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. Oh my gosh. 10, 15, 16, 17, or 20. No. Oh my gosh. Really, when I just make this, work and activities, I just so much puzzle. How can I count that alphabet in these words? So you will get to know 45 of alphabets. This girl will pronounce within few seconds, and you will be shocked on her. So let's get started. Oh, what you are saying? Oh my God! My audience so much clever and so much smarter. They also they also understand to me that Reach are so mad, but they don't know I'm really so much smarter. I'm really so much hard worker lady as well. So I will not try to make a fool, but just try to see. So now this is a challenge for you, openly challenge to you. I'm not able to read this word, but definitely I am I am keeping now 45 of alphabet of words. Now I am keeping 45 alphabet of words, and you have to pronounce. And if you will not pronounce, I will not ask you second word or second activity. I will what? I cannot, yeah. But yeah, definitely it is a challenge, it is activity, it is a competition for you. So definitely you cannot continue with us on the second activities. Okay. For the things
Okay.
you will have to listen, and you will have to memorize in your mind, and then pronounce, and that pronunciation will be correct. Okay.
Okay, I will try.
So okay. So now there is first word, and first word is has 45 alphabets. 45 alphabets. Can you read it? Just look at that.
Yeah, I can read. Okay, so that is human ultramicroscopic volcanic.
Oh my gosh. Could you please repeat on the slow motion?
Okay, Pneumona ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosus.
Guys, please, my beautiful people, please just search on the Google and just listen carefully that pronunciation is actually okay or not. Please don't try to judge to anyone without knowing anything. So now you can think. Please just try to speak loudly. Okay. Now this is the second word, because you are winner now, because your first word is perfectly okay. I'm not able to pronounce this word, to be honest, but yeah, definitely from today I will learn definitely these new lengthy vocabulary. Second is mm, okay, I just take it. Second vocab of this word has 34 words. 3, 4, 34 words. Now, just
Okay,
look at that.
Okay,
Just
so
look
yeah,
at that.
I can
This
see.
is the 34th word, and you just please pronounce on the slow motion first, and second time you just read it.
Okay, okay, that was right to pronounce it. Okay, so supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Please just try to keep your mic near the lip.
Okay,
Now just
so
read it again. This word, 34 alphabet of word.
okay, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
I'm just going to die. I'm just going to die. You will kill me definitely. Okay. So are you really enjoying?
Yeah, of
Anna, are you
course.
really enjoying? Actually, I don't know about your taste, but yeah, definitely I'm really so much enjoying, and I hope and audience also much enjoying after listening to words first alphabet is a 45 for words. What the name?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Guys, I'm again and again trying to puzzle to her, but she's stuck. She's so much clever girl. Actually, she's so much smarter. Okay, now come to the third word, and definitely she will not able to reply to us. And after that, you can say, "Now I am enough."
Okay.
Third word. Third word is just see. Just see, third word is this word is. Are you watching now? Are you watching now? Third word is in 30 alphabet. This word has having 30 alphabets. Now,
Okay.
I know that it is not lengthy according to you, but it is really very hard to pronounce. You cannot pronounce. Okay, just tell me. You are able to pronounce this word?
Yeah, of course. I will
Oh
try.
my gosh! When will you say no, ma'am? I'm not able to pronounce this word. Okay, so just you just read a third word which has having in front side of you in 30 alphabets.
Okay. So yeah, that is pseudohypoparathyroidism. Am I right? Not exactly.
Oh my gosh! I just took a cotton curls and I just tied on my forehead because I am really so much doubting on you that you are actually alien, you are actually angel, you are a god gifted, you are chimpanzee like as Rihan. Oh my god. Okay, so now I am sure that you also so much enjoying with us. Okay,
Yeah.
so Anna, actually before that, Anna, I would like to say one thing that if I will say to you that how to learn this new or lengthy vocabulary, tell to us what kind of tricks do you follow so that of course we also can pronounce this word in easy method like as you, because
Oh,
we
like
are like even it's happened with me as well. Sometimes I'm also not able to not in appropriate manners some vocabulary, and that is not too lengthy, that is actually 7 or 8 words, 10, 11, 12, but it's too hard how to pronounce. So please, if you have any kind of trick, so definitely it will be really really helpful for everyone.
oh, you can say like there's no specific trick, but I use like I just cut in pieces. I told you like I just cut like one word I'm making of 5 to 6 letters. I just cut like that, and next I try to pronounce it one by one, and next I'm just making like a sentence and speaking, and I just try to do that, and I'm trying to speak it very fast if I can. Yeah, so I like usually do like that to pronounce the word.
So you just take it small pieces. Suppose there is a now I will give you 29 of alphabets words. So suppose 29 of alphabet words. Could you please elaborate? If you will teach to us, if you will teach to, if you will teach to us how to teach to us, like we will take only two alphabet to like short way, and after that we can pronounce two word, two alphabet or three alphabet. Could you please tell to us? Okay, I just give you this vocab and you just elaborate as a teaching method. Okay.
Okay.
So now there is fourth word. Yeah, there is fourth word. Please don't go. Now again, this girl will kill to us. I'm not only and only victim by her knife, voice knife. Okay. So now my audience, you will also have to ready to kill with me. I hope you will support to me to kill me. Okay. So now, oh my gosh. Okay. So now there is four word, and that is not so low, not so short, not alphabet. There is three, three, four, no, 10, no. Okay, okay. So I will select for you 14. No, it's too short for you. Okay, okay, 29. So there is 29 alphabets in this word. Now just see on the screen and you have to read properly. Just read it. First, you can take time. I know that it's not piece of cake to pronounce. I know that I'm not able to read, and but definitely after now, definitely I will practice these words. But right now, it's your competitions for you. It's really openly challenge to you, Anna. Just proceed. Fourth
Okay. So it's
word, and there is 29 alphabets.
okay. 29 alphabets. Okay. So
Alphabets.
okay. So I'm starting the
Yeah,
word.
please, Mike.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So the word is floxinoxynihilification. Am I right?
Oh my God! This word. One day, I am really so much liking to listen Shashi Tharoor videos, and one day he also taught to us some vocab, and he also taught this vocab on the YouTube channel, on his YouTube channel. Please, would you repeat once again, ma'am?
Okay. So floxinoxynihilification.
Okay. So, as I said to you, please can you elaborate how to teach this vocab?
Okay. So like just you know that just cut in the pieces. So how you gonna go like floxy, noxy, nihilification. So fication you can say floxy, noxy, nihilification. So you just wanna like pronounce it like that. Just pronounce it lots of time and just try to pronounce it fast, more than fast. And if you will try it like that, so you can try it very easily. And that's an easy word if you will try it and if you know very well, so you can say that easy. And you don't know about the word, so you will say that's so hard. So just practice it more and more, and that can be easy for everyone if you will practice it down.
Her voice is, can you imagine her voice? Her voice is really sharp of Caesar. Seriously, you don't have meat at your home where you just cut the fabric, where you just cut the vegetable, where you just cut the vocab. You are definitely everyone has need a Caesar. But just see, yaar, oh my god. Okay. So fifth word is next fifth word is okay. Let me listen her heartbeat. I just try to listen her heartbeat, and I will tell you that she is feeling scary or she is really enjoying. Okay, just 1 second. Actually, she is so much enjoying. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now fifth, fifth word is fifth word is, and there is 28, 28, 28, 28, 28 alphabets. And now there is a screen, and just read it and just pronounce. And just try to pronounce on the slow motion because we are human beings, not alien like as you.
Okay, so yeah, I can see the 28 letter words in the screen. Okay, so let me try it out. Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
Please just try to read crack the word, just try to a little bit short like as previous like as previous word,
Okay,
oxine, roxine, like that. So you just try to read slow motions.
okay. Anti-disestablishmentarianism. It was like that in slow motion. It's
Oh my
perfect.
gosh. Oh my. Okay, when did you try to learn this vocabulary? So how much time have you gotten to recitate these words?
To resonate those words, like it doesn't take a lot of time. If you practice it like more and more in 1 minute, so yeah, you can like complete in 5 to 10 minutes if there is like 45 letter word. Or if you want to learn anti-disestablishmentarianism, like 28 letter word, so it will just take 5 minutes to learn it because if you will, your mind is too sharp and you're very interested to learn it, so you can learn it very easily and very in a small time. Yeah, first.
So you are saying only in 5 minutes you can recitate, you can learn, you also can enhance this lengthy vocabulary on your tongue as a mother tongue.
Yeah, of course.
As slange. Oh my god. You know, you know, like if we will teach to the students, and if we will teach any kind of lessons, any lessons, okay. So that is not easy process to capture easily. But if anyone, this is the actually for everyone, not a children's, not a elder. If that person will listen, bad words, slang, abusing, and we don't have need to teach, but automatically that word is enhanced on the tongue as a mother tongue. So this is like as oh my gosh. So now come on the sixth word.
Okay.
Sixth word, and there is how many alphabets? Can you imagination? Okay,
Mm,
so there is six word. How many alphabets? One. Oh my God, one. I just 1 second. I just read it. I just I just forgot to read that word, and I just forgot to count all alphabet. 1 second. Give me 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my gosh, I just forgot. 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't know also like counting as well. Oh my god. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now I just need water. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh my gosh. Last is 27. Now there is 27 alphabets. There is 27 alphabets in having this new lengthy vocabulary. So just see and just try to read. Just try to read. And you also can take Minaj. You also can take second. I know that you are a fool, so much fool.
okay, so 27.
Huh?
Okay. Okay, so 27, yeah, I know one word that is honorificably Turini Charibas.
This girl definitely will make me as a fool. Actually, seriously, I just come back my words. I just say to you a fool, but seriously, now I'm just feeling to make a fool. Oh my god. So
Okay.
did you notice something about Anna? She's so much enjoying. She always replying very confidently. And she did you notice her fluency when she trying to eat each word at a time? Actually, she's not actually trying to read. She's cup, 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 cup. Oh my god.
Okay.
So I really so much shocked. Oh, really? That's why I just consider to her. She is not a girl. She is not a God gifted. She is not a pari. She is not angel. She is iconic personality. She is actually aliens. You also can consider to her as a alien, but she is really very pretty alien, helpful alien. Oh my gosh. Okay. So now next word is seventh. This is the seventh word. Now, this on your screen, and this is this is actually this word has 14th one for 14th alphabets. Now, ma'am, please proceed to pronounce this word.
This word is really easy and the practice is very easy. Like Sasquipedalian. I know about that one word. Sasquipedalian.
Once again.
Sasquipedalian.
Okay, okay. Please don't laugh on me, yaar. Just don't laugh me. Please just try to once again. What did you say? It's so easy.
Yeah, it's easy. Sasquipedalian.
Okay. So now next eight word. Now there is eight word and there is 19 alphabets. 19. 199. I'm not saying 9. I'm just calling 19. 19
Okay.
19 alphabets are there. So please.
Okay, I can see in the screen. Okay, that is otorhinolaryngology.
Oro.
Otorhinolaryngology.
If I will try to pronounce this word, definitely audience will beat me. So definitely I will not take okay. Now next word is ninth word and there is mm, 36 alphabets. 36 alphabets.
Okay, so yeah, I can see the screen. Okay, and yeah, that is my favorite one of the word. Okay, so let me try it out. Hippopotamos phobia.
I just take water first and after that I will tell you what I want to say to everyone. Seriously, she will kill me again and again. And my audience is not supporting to me now. Oh my god. Now, last word. Now, last word. 10th word. And there is so much hard, so much short, not lengthy as first of 45 alphabet. So there is 10th word. There is short according to Anna, but it's too hard. So hard. I know that. I know that now. Finally, she also can say, ma'am, please leave me, ma'am, please leave me. Definitely she will say to me. Okay. So now just see there is 10th word and there is 21 alphabets.
Oh, 21. Okay. Okay, so let me try it out. I can see in
Now,
the screen.
Definitely she will say, I don't know. Oh my God. I want to listen
Okay,
to that word.
okay. Incomprehensibilities.
Oh my gosh. Seriously? So, okay. One by one, could you please repeat again all 10 words? 45.
Okay, okay. So I will clarify. Newer ultramicroscopic volcanokinesis.
Second is 34 of alphabets.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Third is I want to defeat you. Or definitely I will defeat you, Anna. Heroine Anna. Okay. Third is third is 30 alphabet.
Okay. Series or hyperparathyroidism.
Okay. Next okay. Fourth is 29th alphabet.
Yeah, that is fluxoxamine liquefaction.
Yeah, this word is considered by Shashi Tharoor, which I learned. Fifth word is 28th alphabets.
Oh, 28. Okay, yeah, I think so. That is anti-establishmentarianism.
Oh, oh my gosh! Please just check on the Google. Don't trust, don't trust on Richa, and don't trust on this alien, PT alien. Sixth word is, and there has 27 alphabets.
27. Okay, that is horrificably Tudini Charibas.
Seventh, seven to the 40. So seventh word, 14 alphabets.
Oh, I told you that is so easy. Pescipedalian.
Oh my gosh. Eight, eight has having 19 alphabets.
Okay. Oral writing good George.
Nine, 36 alphabets.
36. Okay, that is Hippopotamos scipilophobia.
Oh my gosh. Tenth, 21 alphabet according to hard for me, but so much easy for you.
Okay, that is incomprehensibilities.
Yeah, exactly. That's really, 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 really amazing, amazing, amazing. Now you also can see that she is alien, she is angel, she is God gifted, she is iconic personality, she is heroine. Actually, she is everything. She's one by one, by actually this is the top secrets I will disclose her personality, her talent, her hobbies, her talent, her skills, what kind of taste she has having, and what kind of qualities she has. So one by one I will disclose about her. And you cannot believe on that girl. Actually, see, I cannot say she's diamond. Seriously, diamond word also so much small in front side of her. And so, if you want to see, if you want to aware all things, who is she? What kind of talent she has having? So definitely, I will disclose one by one. For that, for that, for the things, what will they do? Anna, could you please tell me what
Oh, for
will people have to do if they are really very interested to see your talent for that things? What they have to do? Could you please suggest to us?
yeah, of course. They just wants to see my next video that is coming to the Risia Man's YouTube channel.
How is that possible?
Like, he'll just upload it, of course.
After the upload and new audience how to see.
Yeah, of course.
So how to see if new people also wants to see this type of new vocabulary, your new channel, new activity, how to see. For that, everybody will have to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to see next video with Anna. For that, you will have to do press the bell icon. So definitely we will meet again, and once again tomorrow I will upload one more video that is actually not included educations, not included pronunciation, not included Vidal, not included. Oh my gosh, how many talents you having here? Okay, so that is actually okay. I just disclosed actually my people so much, so much exciting to see your next video. So next video we will bring out for you all about the makeup artist. She is only 10 years old and she didn't learn how to make up. She is a really, really iconic makeup artist. So please just see her makeup. You just see she's so much innocent. She so much simple, simple personality. Just see now she has not any kind of having applying any cosmetics items, no any lipsticks, no any liner. Oh my god, I don't know also how many how many artificials available in the market, but she knows very well. So she I will upload a next video about her makeup, and she knows very well about how to do makeup. I already considered when I just uploaded a one video, and that video Rihan's video, and I said मैं एक लड़की को लाऊंगी और जो अच्छे अच्छे के कान कतर लेती है, लेकिन ये कान नहीं कतरेगी, ये सबको सफा कर देगी. Like seriously, you don't have need to go anywhere when you will have to ready to go party. So you just call to Anna. You also can call to Anna. Anna, please could you suggest to us how to make up, how to apply the makeup to be beautiful? Definitely she will help you. Okay, so bye have everyone. Have a great day, good night, sweet dreams, and I hope you will be fine by God's grace. And if you were not fine, definitely now you will be okay. So bye
Bye,
everyone. Have a
everyone.
great good day. And once again, PO, no, sorry, PO is my next student. Okay, so for that, Anna, thank you so much. Thank you once again, and you're the most welcome. And it is really, really glad for us that you are here. You are among us, and I can say, please, guys, please just see, and please don't forget to like, because by the liking she also can, whenever she also notice her video, so she also thought, oh my god, now I just got how many likes. So please don't forget it. Bye. Bye, Anna.
Bye.
Bye. So okay, bye, Anna. Really,
Bye bye.
you're really, really cute, Angel. I really love you so much. Really love you so much.
Me too.
Oh my gosh. Okay, bye.